So number 22 says a class of 181 students took a field trip. They took 17 vehicles, some cars, some buses. Find the number of cars they took if each car holds 5 and each bus holds 13. So we're trying to find the number of cars is what we're looking for. So I'm just going to highlight that really quick just to make sure we remember that's what we're trying to find. The number of cars. Oops, it's kind of getting cut off here, but. Now, how do we set this up? Remember, is just using the how many, how much, except instead of how much money, we're thinking how many students. So we're counting vehicles, and altogether we have 17 of them. We're also counting students, and altogether we have 181 of them. So we know that that's what we're going to be looking at. These are always the totals of how much on one side. How many vehicles do we have? Well, we don't know the number of cars, so we'll call that C. We don't know how many buses we have, we'll call that B, but I know altogether, if I add them, is 17. Now, every car holds 5 students, so that means however many cars I have, I can multiply it by 5, and that's the number of students that I have in cars. Every bus holds 13, so I can multiply that by 13, and we get this. So now we have a system. Now this is really easy to solve. We can use elimination or combination or substitution. I think, again, most of us are comfortable with combination, so I'm going to use that. And so all I'm going to do, if I want the number of cars, it'd be best if we probably eliminated the number of buses. So I'll multiply by negative 13. And so I get negative 13C minus 13B. And let's just do a little scratch work on the side. 13 times 17. We get 221 negative. And I'll copy this other one underneath it. So eliminating now, those b's cancel out. And I'm left with negative 13 and 5, that's 8c. And if I do this, let's see, they're opposite signs, so I subtract. And let's see, I get 12 minus 8 is 4. And so that's negative, and this is also negative. So now I see that if I divide by negative 8, we get c by itself, where c represents the number of cars, which is what we're looking for, and c is 5. So the answer is B.